What's up, guys? It's me, Mister. So today we're gonna listen to the Optical Brown switches, and today I'm gonna use the Logitech G512 for listening to Optical Brown switches. So let's get listening. Okay, so that's the sound, and as you can see, this is the Optical Brown switches. Yeah, and yeah. The sound is very cool. It's not noise. It's not noisy like the optical blue switches. Yeah, I like them. And that's it for the video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And have a nice day. And see you next time.